Hello students, in this video I explain application of differentiation. First here we have first example. The length of the subtangent to the curve x square plus xy plus y square is equals to 7 at the point 1 comma minus 3 is. See, length of the subtangent form dy by c. Here we consider length of the subtangent is y1 divided by dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. Subnormal formula. Subnormal is equals to y1 into dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. Now here we have to find length of the subtangent. See, length of subtangent. This is length of subnormal at the point x1 comma y1. y1 into dy by dx is subnormal. Length of subtangent is y1 divided by dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Now here we have to find length of the subtangent. Here we have curve x square plus xy plus y square is equals to 7. Now here we are going to find the value of dy by dx. Now here differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. See, derivative of x square, d by dx of x square is 2x plus d by dx of u into v form x into y. First function into derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx is equals to derivative of constant term 7 is 0. Next, here we have dy by dx. Here also we have dy by dx. 2y into dy by dx. Here x into dy by dx. Here we can take common term is dy by dx. Dy by dx of x plus 2y. X into dy by dx. 2y into dy by dx. Dy by dx of x plus 2y. See, remaining results terms. Take the 2x and y. These two terms take to right hand side. We get minus 2x minus y minus of 2x plus y. Next, divide both sides by x plus 2y. Left hand side result is cancelled. This implies dy by dx is equals to minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. So next here, always highlight. Here at the point at the 1 comma minus 3. See, dy by dx at 1 comma minus 3. See, dy by dx of at the point 1 comma minus 3 is equals to x is 1, y is equals to minus 3. This result becomes minus of 2 into 1 is 2 plus y result is minus 3. 2 minus 3 divided by x plus 2y. X is 1, y is minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 is equals to, here we have minus 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 divided by 1 minus 6 is minus 5, minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. But now here we have to find this length of subtangent. See, length of subtangent formula is y1 divided by dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. We have dy by dx at x1 comma y1 is minus 1 by 5. So length of subtangent. Subtangent is equals to y1 divided by dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. See here y1, here we have minus 3. Minus 3 divided by dy by dx is minus 1. See here dy by dx is minus 1 by 5. See, minus gets cancelled. Then 3 into, see, reciprocal value 1 by 5 can be minus 5 by 1 is 5. Minus gets cancelled. Is equals to 3 into 5 is 15. Option C is correct. So next example. See, the length of the subnormal at any point x comma y on the curve y square is equals to 4ax is. Here we have 2x, option A, B is 2a, 4a, none of this. Subnormal form, length of the subnormal, length of subnormal is y1 into dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. So now here we have curve y square is equals to 4ax. Here differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We get 2y into dy by dx is equals to 4a is constant. 4a into derivative of x is 1. 1 into 4a is 4a. Next, this implies dy by dx is equals to divide both sides by 2y. We get 4a divided by 2a. Left hand side here we have 2a. 2y is cancelled. Here 4a divided by 2a. So divide by 2y on both sides. Here 2y is cancelled. Right hand side 4a divided by 2y. 2 1s are 2 2s are dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to 2a divided by y. Next, here we have to find at the point dy by dx at the point x comma y, or use length of subnormal formula y1 into dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. See y1, here we have the point given result x comma y. See here we have, we consider x1 comma y1. x1 is x, y1 is y. y1 is y into, here we have dy by dx is 2y by y. 2y by 2a by. Otherwise here we consider y1 as it is, write this result. Later we substitute. Otherwise, write dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. This is general expression. x1 comma y1 result. Here we have x1 is x, y1 is y, is equals to 2a divided by same term y. Now here we consider y1 into dy by dx at the formula sign subnormal result. Y into 2a divided by y gets cancelled, is equals to 2a. This is length of subnormal. See here we have option B is correct. See here we have the example. The slope of the tangent to the curve x is 3t square plus 1, y is equals to t cube minus 1 at x is equals to 1 is. See slope of the tangent formula, slope of the tangent is equals to, slope of the tangent is dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1 or x comma y result. dy by dx at x1 comma y1 result. So now here we have the result x and y. Two curve results are given. Here we have to find dx by dt and dy by dt means parametric result concept. X is equals to 3t square plus 1. Dx by differentiate with respect to t on both sides. Dx by dt is equals to derivative of this result with respect to t. 3 into derivative of t square is 2t. 2 into 3 6t. Constant term is 0. Next, similarly consider curve next one. Y is equals to t to the power 3 minus 1. dy by dt is equals to 3t square. Say dx by dt is 6t, dy by dt is 3t square. This implies dy by dx is equals to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt is equals to 3t square divided by 6t. See here, one term t gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are. dy by dx is equals to t divided by 2. See dy by dx. At the point here we consider x1 comma y1 form, but here we have the data, two curves at x is equals to 1. Now here we substitute the value of x is equals to 1 in this first term curve at x is 1. Otherwise we consider two curve results. X is 3t square plus 1, y is equals to t cube minus 1. At x is equals to 1, this result becomes 1 is equals to 3t square plus 1. Next, see here both sides 1 gets, otherwise this implies 3t square is equals to 1 minus 1 is 0. This implies 3t square is equals to 0. This implies t is equals to 0. This implies t is equals to 0. Say t is 0. See here, we get the value t is 0. See dy by dx, here we have t by 2. Now here we have to find a slope. Easily we get that value dy by dx. See t is 0 means here we have dy by dx is equals to t divided by 2. This is slope of the tangent at the point x1 comma y1, but here we have in t notation, here using this two curves we get the value t is 0. T is 0, substituting this result we get value is 0 divided by 2 is equals to 0. See, slope of the tangent means dy by dx is equals to 0. Option B is correct. Start. Say if the curves 2x is equals to y square and 2xy is equals to k intersect perpendicularly, then the value of k square is, say intersect perpendicularly means two curves are intersect perpendicular, m1 dot m2 is equals to minus 1. So now here we have 2x is equals to y square and 2xy is equals to k. 2x is equals to y square. This result, substituting this second curve, we get, this implies 2x is y square. Y square into y is equals to k. See, y square here we have power y to the power 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. This implies y to the power 3 is equals to k. Take cube on both sides. We get y is equals to, see, y to the power 1 by 3 cube root. Cube and root is cancelled. Y is equals to k to the power 1 by 3. Y is equals to k to the power 1 by 3. Here we have to find point x comma y result, x1 comma y1 form, or x comma y. Now here this y value substitute in first curve. See, first curve 2x is equals to y square. Now substitute in the place of y is equals to k to the power 1 by 3. This term becomes 2x is k to the power 1 by 3 whole square is equals to k to the power 2 by 3. The value of 2x. Now this implies x is equals to k to the power 2 by 3 divided by 2. X value, y value is k to the power 1 by 3. The curves intersect at the point x comma y. The curves intersect at x comma y means x is k to the power 2 by 3 divided by 2 comma k to the power 1 by 3. Intersect at k to the power 2 by 3 divided by 2 comma k to the power 1 by 3. Now here using first curve 2x is equals to y square. Here we have to find the values of m1 and m2 at the point this result. 2x is equals to y square. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. D by dx of 2x. 2 into derivative of x is 1 is 2 into 1 is 2 is equals to derivative of y square 2y into dy by dx. See, 2 gets cancelled. This implies dy by dx is equals to, here we have 1 is equals to y into dy by dx because 2 gets cancelled. 1 divided by y. So now here the curve at the point. So here we consider dy by dx at the point k to the power 2 by 3 comma 1 by 3 is 1 divided by y result is k to the power 1 by 3. K to the power 1 by 3 transpose to numerator. Take numerator k to the power minus 1 by 3. The value of, say here we consider this result is m1. First slope using the first curve 2x is equals to y square, we get m1. Next here we have to find m2 result using second curve. So second curve is 2xy is equals to k. Now here differentiate with respect to x on both sides. This implies using, see, 2 is constant term, u into v formula. First function into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x is 1 is equals to constant term is 0. Derivative of k is 0. Next step, this implies multiplied by 2 into this term, 2x into dy by dx plus 2y is equals to 0. Next, this implies, now here we have second term 2y. This 2y term take to right hand side, 2x into dy by dx is equals to minus 2y. Then divide both sides by 2x. We get dy by dx is equals to minus 2y divided by 2x. 2 gets cancelled. We get y by x in the term. dy by dx is equals to minus y by x. At the point dy by dx, at the point k to the power 2 by 3 divided by 2 comma k to the power 1 by 3 is k value, y value is k to the power 1 by 3 divided by x term result is k to the power 2 by 3 divided by 2. Next 1 by 2 notation form, getting the numerator term result. See here minus 2 into, see k to the power 1 by 3, k to the power 2 by 3 transpose to numerator, we get power negative, k to the power 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. See LCM is 3. Therefore this result can be written as minus 2 into k to the power 1 minus 2 is minus 1 by 3, or this result can also be written as minus 2 by k to the power 1 by 3. This is the value of second curve slope dy by dx at the point k to the power 2 by 3 divided by 2 comma k to the power 1 by 3. We consider this is m2. So here we have m1 and m2. By data curves are intersect. Perpendicular result means m1 dot m2 is equals to minus 1. See m1 result is, you consider k to 1 by k to the power 1 by 3 or k to the power minus 1 by 3. Now already this result converted into in the second m2 term is minus 2 divided by k to the power 1 by 3 form. That's why I consider m1 is 1 by k to the power 1 by 3. See k to the power 1 divided by k to the power 1 by 3 into m2 term value minus 2 divided by k to the power 1 by 3 is equals to minus 1. Next step, minus 2 divided by k to the power 1 by 3 into k to the power 1 by 3. Here we had power result 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equals to minus 1. Next step, take LCM is 3. Here we get minus 2 divided by k to the power 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 3 is equals to minus 1. This implies, see here minus gets cancelled. Then take cross multiplication. K to the power 2 by 3 into 1 is k to the power 2 by 3 is equals to 2. Next, here we have k to the power 2 by 3. See k to the power 2 by 3 can also be written as k square to the power 1 by 3 form. See here, k square to the power 1 by 3, here we have is equals to 2. Is equals to 2 means, now here take cube root on both sides. Suppose we take cube root on both sides is equals to, so not cube root, take cube on both sides. See here, this result can be written as k to the power k square to the power 1 by 3 is equals to 2. Take cube on both sides. This implies cube root and cube gets cancelled. Here we get k square is equals to 2 to the power 3. See 2 to the power 3 value is 8. K square is equals to 8. Then take, see here we have k square is equals to 8. Now take square root on both sides. Root and square gets cancelled. K is equals to root of 8 or plus or minus 8. This result can be written as root of 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Root of 4 is 2. 2 root 2. This is required value of k. See here k square in this result. Here we have to find the value of k square. K square value is 8. This is the required solution for this result. Now option B is correct. No need to find k value here. Find only k square term. K square is 8. Option B is correct. So here we have the point and the curve y square is equals to x, where the tangent makes an angle pi by 4 means 45 degree with x axis is. Here we have options. Now here we have the curve y square is equals to x. Now here we have to find tangent, means differentiate with respect to dy by dx result. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. This implies 2y into dy by dx. 2y into dy by dx is equals to derivative of x is 1. Next step, divide both sides by 2y. Left hand side 2y gets cancelled. We get 1 by 2y. This implies dy by dx is equals to 1 divided by 2y. dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2y. Now here, where the tangent makes an angle of 45 means pi by 4 means dy by dx is tan theta. See, dy by dx means tangent. Tan theta is equals to dy by dx. Here we have dy by dx is 1 by 2y. See, makes an angle. Theta is 45 by 4. Now here this result can be as tan of, this implies pi by 4 is equals to 1 by 2y. Tan of pi by 4 value is 1. 1 is equals to 1 by 2y. This implies 1 is equals to 1 by 2y. Then take cross multiplication. 1 into 2y is 2y. 2y is equals to 1. 2y is equals to 1. This implies y is equals to 1 by 2. See, y value is 1 by 2. This y is also substituting given curve. Y square means 1 by 2 whole square. So this result becomes, means here we have y square is equals to x. Y square is equals to x. Now here we substitute y is equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 in this curve. This implies 1 by 2 whole square is equals to x. This implies x is equals to 1 by 2 square is 4. X is 1 by 4. Y is equals to 1 by 2. There are on the x-axis result. Here we get 1 by 2 comma 1 by 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. 1 by 4 comma y value is 1 by 2. Option B is correct. So here we have equation of the normal to the curve y into 1 plus x square is equals to 2 minus x, where the tangent crosses x-axis is. Here we have 4 options. Now here equation of the normal formula, and another one is equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equals to dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. But now in this result, here we have to find equation of the normal. Equation of the normal is equation of the normal formula y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 divided by dy by dx x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. See, here we consider this is y minus y1 is equals to 1 divided by, not minus, this is positive, 1 divided by reciprocal form 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. Equation of the normal. Now here, first find the value of dy by dx. Here we have curve y into 1 plus x square is equals to 2 minus x. Using this curve here we have to find dy by dx. Here we have by given data 1 plus x square is equals to 2 minus x. Now here differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Here we have u into v term form. First function into derivative of second function is 2x into, otherwise this result can also be written as y is equals to, take as multiplication form 1, 2 minus x divided by 1 plus x square. See now here this term, I take this result to denominator 2 minus x divided by 1 plus x square. Now here differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Here we get is directly dy by dx equals to u by v formula, quotient rule form. Denominator into derivative of numerator 2 minus x, 2 is 0, minus 1, minus numerator into derivative of denominator 2x whole divided by denominator whole square. Next, simplify the result. dy by dx is equals to 1 minus 1 minus x square. Then 2 minus x into 2x, negative result. Minus 2 into 2, 4x, minus into minus plus 2x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square. 1 plus x square whole square. See here, no need to simplify the result, you can directly use, see here the data, tangent crosses x-axis. The tangent crosses x-axis, y is 0. Tangent crosses y-axis, y is 0. Here we have curve, say result, y is 0 means y of 1 plus x square is equals to 2 minus x. We have this result, y is 0 means 0 into 1 plus x square is 0. Here we get 0 is equals to 2 minus x. This implies 2 transpose to, or take this 2 result to left hand side, we get minus 2. Minus x is equals to minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. This implies x equals to 2. X is 2, y is equals to 0. Now, this result x equals to 2, substituting in dy by dx means x is 2, what happens? 1 plus 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So here we get dy by dx is equals to, this result becomes 1 plus 4. That is 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Next, 2 minus 2. See, second term becomes 0. Minus 0 divided by x is 2 means 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. Is equals to minus 5 divided by 25. 5 ones are 5 5 is minus 1 divided by 5. The value of dy by dx. See, now here we have to find equation of the normal to the curve. See, equation of the normal to the curve, this is the formula. Y minus y1 is equals to 1 divided by dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. Point is x1 comma y1 means here we consider 2 comma 0. See, now I consider equation of the normal. Equation of the normal at 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0. Y minus y1. y1 here we consider y minus y1. y1 is 0. y minus 0 is equals to 1 divided by dy by dx. dy by dx is minus 1 divided by 5 into x minus 2. Next step, this implies y is equals to, this result can be written as reciprocal form, minus 1 by 5 can be written as minus 5 into x minus 2. Then minus 5 into this term, factor term, minus 5x, minus into minus, plus 10, minus 5x, y is equals to, this implies y is equals to minus 5x plus 10. But now here we have option form 5x plus y plus 10 form. Now here the right hand side result transpose to, or take the result to left hand side, sign changes. See here y, otherwise write in order form, write 5x minus becomes plus, then plus y, then minus 10 is equals to 0. Now check the options. Option A, 5x plus y plus 10 is 0. It is not possible. Next, 5x minus y plus 10. It is also not possible. Option C, 5x minus y minus 10 is 0. This result also not possible. Option D, none of this is correct option. So here we have two curves. Now here we have to check the cut at an angle pi by 3, touch each other, cut at an angle pi by 4 and cut each other at right angle. Right angle means here consider product of first two slopes m1, m2 is equals to minus 1. Now here m1 means derivative of the result first curve and similarly derivative of second curve result. Here we have first curve x cube minus 3xy square plus 2 is 0. Now here differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Here we get 3x square. Here minus 3 into, here u into v formula, x into derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx plus y square into derivative of x is 1. Constant term is 0 is equals to 0. Next, this implies 3x square minus, multiply the result, 3 into 2, 6xy into dy by dx plus into minus 3y square is equals to 0. Now here 3x square and 3y square transpose to right hand side means take the results to right hand side. We get the result minus 6xy dy by dx is equals to minus becomes plus 3y square plus becomes minus 3x square minus. Next, and divide both sides by minus 6xy. This implies dy by dx is equals to 3y square minus 3x square divided by minus 6xy. So here we consider slope 1, m1. Next, consider second curve is 3x square y minus y cube is equals to 2, second curve. Now here also differentiate with respect to x on both sides. 3 is constant term, x square into dy by dx plus y into 2x minus 3y square into dy by dx is equals to constant term 0. Next step, multiply by 3 into this term, 3x square dy by dx plus 3 into 2, 6xy minus 3y square into dy by dx is 0. Now here we have two term dy by dx. So take common is dy by dx. Remaining term here we have 3x square minus 3y square is equals to 6xy. Take this result to right hand side minus 6xy. Next, dy by dx is equals to minus 6xy divided by, see now here we have 3y square minus 3x square. Here also we can take minus common. Here we get minus of 3y square minus 3x square multiplied by minus, we get same term result. This result we consider m2. See here m1 into m2. See m1 into m2. m1 m2 is equals to m1 value is 3y square minus 3x square divided by minus 6xy into minus 6xy divided by minus of 3y square minus 3x square. Now observe here 3y square minus 3x square, 3y square minus 3x square term is cancelled. Next to minus 6xy minus 6xy gets cancelled. Here remaining is minus 1. See m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. Option D is correct. Cut each at right angles. Option D is the correct option for this result. Two curves are cut each other or perpendicular to each other mean or right angles to each other means m1 dot m2 is equals to minus 1. That's why option D is correct. See here we have the tangent to the curve y is equals to x cube plus 1 at the point 1 comma 2 makes an angle theta with the y-axis. Now here first find the tangent to the curve y is equals to x cube plus 1 at the point 1 comma 2. Tangent means here we have curve y is equals to x cube plus 1. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equals to 3x square. At the point 1 comma 2 dy by dx at the point 1 comma 2 is equals to x is 1. 3 into 1 square is equals to 3 into 1 is equals to 3. Next, this result makes an angle theta with y-axis means here we consider dy by dx is equals to tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta can be done as cot theta. Here we have dy by dx is, here we consider 3x square at the point 1 comma 2. Here we get 3. This implies 3 is equals to cot theta. See 3 is equals to cot theta, but now here we have to find the value of tan theta. See 3 is equals to cot theta can also be done as 1 by tan theta. This implies the entire cross multiplication tan theta or 3 into tan theta is equals to 1 or tan theta is equals to 1 by 3 tan theta value. Option D is correct. See here, if theta is the angle between the curves xy is 2, x square plus 4y is 0, then tan theta is. See, tan theta, we know the formula, angle between the curves result formula. Tan theta is equals to magnitude here consider m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So now here we have two curves. Here using the two curves, here we have to find derivative forms. Slope 1 means m1 and slope 2 means consider m2. See, first curve result xy is equals to 2. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. This result is u into v form, x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 is equals to 0. Next, this implies plus y transpose 2. That means take the result to right hand side, we get minus y. X into dy by dx is equals to minus y, or dy by dx is equals to minus y by x. Here we consider this result is m1, slope 1. Next, second curve, x square plus 4y is equals to 0. This implies differentiate with respect to x on both sides. This curve becomes 2x plus 4 into dy by dx is 0. This implies 4 into dy by dx is equals to minus 2x. Next, divide both sides by 4. This implies dy by dx is equals to minus 2x divided by 4. 2 ones are 2 2s are here, minus x divided by 2 is m2, slope 2. Now here we have two curves. Using two curves here we have to find point. Say xy is equals to 2, first curve. Xy is equals to 2. This implies y is equals to 2 divided by x. 2 divided by xy term, substitute in second curve. In this curve becomes, this implies x square plus 4 into 2 by x is equals to 0. Next step, this implies x square, take LCM is x square at x is, here we get x cube plus 8 by x is equals to 0. This implies x cube plus 8 is equals to 0. Next, this implies x cube plus 8, take this term to right hand side, we get minus 8. Then take cube root on both sides, we get x cube, or x is equals to minus 2, another one is x equals to minus 1. So the x is minus 2, y, see, x equals to minus 2, cube root of this result. This result substituting y term, we get y is equals to 2 divided by minus 2, 2 gets cancelled, minus 1, means y value is, this implies y is equals to minus 1, means at the point minus 2 comma minus 1. Now this result, this point substitute in m1. So m1 is equals to this result, y is minus 1, x is minus 2. See here, minus 1 into minus plus 1 divided by x is minus 2, here we get minus 1 by 2, m1. Next, similarly m2 is equals to slope 2, second slope. See here we have minus x by 2, x is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1, m2 is 1. Now here m1 and m2 substitute in this formula, tan theta is equals to, m1 is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, m2 is 1, minus 1, all divided by 1 plus m1 into m2, 1 plus m1 is minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 is minus 1 by 2. Next, simplify result, take LCM is 2, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, divided by, take LCM denominator 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. See here 2 gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled here, magnitude of minus 3. Magnitude of modulus of minus 3 here we consider plus 3. Tan theta is equals to, tan theta is plus 3. Option D is correct. So here we have the angle between the curves y square is equals to 4x and x square is equals to 4y. Now here differentiate with respect to x. Here we have to find m1 and m2. Y differentiate with respect to x on both sides. 2y into dy by dx is equals to 4. Next this implies dy by dx is equals to 4 divided by 2y. Consider this is m1. Or at the point is given, you can write directly. This implies dy by dx at the point 4 comma 4 is 4 divided by 2 into 4. 4 gets cancelled. 1 by 2, this is m1, slope 1 form. Next, second curve, x square is equals to 4y. Differentiate with respect to x and both sides. 2x is equals to 4 into dy by dx. This implies dy by dx is equals to 2x divided by 4. So 2 ones are 2 2s are x by 2. And this implies dy by dx at the point 4 comma 4 is 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are is 2 is equals to m2. Now here we have to find angle, means tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 is equals to modulus of m1 is 1 by 2 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 gets cancelled is equals to, here we consider take LCM is 2 of 1 minus 2 times 2 into 2 4 divided by 1 plus 1. See here we have 1 minus 4 is minus 3 divided by 2 divided by 2, or this result can be as into 2 is equals to minus 3 modulus minus 3 divided by 4, or this result can be as element that modulus is 3 by 4. So tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. This implies theta is equals to tan inverse of 3 by 4. The required solution, but option B is correct.